Hello everyone, welcome to Winning Ways YouTube channel and exclusive guidance for competitive exams. So in this particular video, we have brought few other questions from the section called reasoning, which are especially useful for your PO as well as clerical exams. So this particular part is part number 12. So those who have missed the previous parts, kindly watch those parts and come back to part number 12. So I'll be giving link in the description. Kindly watch those parts and come back to part number 12. Or I'll be putting cards at right top corner so that it will be easy for you to trace down. Okay, so let's see what are the topics we have covered in this particular session. So in this particular session we have covered three different topics, in which one is based on sitting arrangement triangle, second one is based on sitting arrangement linear or row based, then third one is based on series. So without wasting any time, let's just dive into this particular question. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to our channel and share to your friends maximum. So let's see question number 1. So 6 friends are sitting in a triangular table in such a way that 3 persons are sitting at corners facing outside, while 3 are sitting at middle of the sides facing inside. So already it is given there are 6 people. Out of 6 people, 3 are at corners and remaining 3 are at middle of the sides. Okay, the 3 persons who are sitting at corners are facing outside. Corners means this part, corner. Okay, while 3 are sitting in middle of the sides facing inside. So middle of the side facing inside. So we can say this is the blueprint of the corresponding arrangement. Each of them celebrates their birth date on different date from 21 to 26th of the same month of the same year. Okay, same year. So 21 to 26. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So these are the different dates, right? Then A sits second left of C, who is younger than A. So who is younger than A? C is younger than A. So C is less than A. Only 2 persons are sitting between N and P. Alright. O is older than B. So O is older than B in reverse. B is less than O. Okay. Then N is 2 days younger than O. So O equals to N minus 2. We can write like that. So O is 2 days younger than O. M sits second right of N. B is not immediate neighbor of A. Youngest person sits on middle of the side. So who is the youngest means the person who is having maximum age, maximum date, okay, is the youngest person. Okay, then let's go for the next point. So what is the maximum number means we can say 26. So 26 is the youngest, 21st is the oldest, remember that. Okay, so 26 will be in the middle of the side, right? Then B is younger than N. B is younger than N, but not the youngest person, but refers to the first person B. So B is not the youngest person. So B is not 26. Okay. A celebrate her birthday on odd date number but not on prime number. So what are odd numbers means you can say 23, 21, 23 and 25, as it is said not on prime number date. So we all know that 23 is a prime number. So for A you can put in 2 places. It can be on 21st, which is one odd number, or it can be on 25th, which is the second odd number. Okay, so age difference between M and C is 4 days. So M, C, the difference of age is 4 years. So we don't know out of M and C who is big and who is small, right? So depend upon the given conditions, we have got the information like this. Okay, so already we came to know that C is less than A. So in the bottom possibility you can put C here. Okay, and in the top possibility you can put C here, everywhere. Why? Because C is less than A. So C is less than A. Then in between C and M the difference is 4 years. So C 1, 2, 3, 4 days, not years. Here you can put M. Similarly, if you put C here 1, 2, 3, 4 M, C 1, 2, 3, no chance, means for C and M there will be 2 places. It can be C, M, or it can be C, M. So based on the above hints, right? Then already it is given that N is 2 years younger than O. N is 2 days younger than O. Okay, so here if you put O here, here it will be N. If you put O here, there is no chance for N. O, N, no chance. So put O here and put N here. Similarly here, O, N. N is 2 days younger than O. Right? Then one person is missing. So who is that person? B. So two possibilities. Let's see which one will work out. Right? So here he has given B is younger than N. So B is younger than N. This possibility works out. So the top possibility you can just eliminate. Okay, so just eliminate this possibility. So we have got only one possibility, which is according to the conditions. Now as the corresponding ages are clear, now we can go with respect to this arrangement in easy manner. Right? So just to see. So 26, the person who is youngest will be on middle of the side. So who is age is 26 means we can say C. So in this place the person C will be present. Then look at this point, A sits second left of C. So C first left, second left. So who is present? A. Okay, and we know the age of A is 25 years. Right? Only two persons are sitting between N and B. So N, two persons B, no chance. N, two persons B, you can put N, two persons B, no chance. So there is only one possibility, N, two persons B, or N, two persons B, two possibilities. Okay, then O is older than B. O is older than B. Okay, then N is 2 days younger than O. Then M sits second right of N. Okay, if I put N here, N first right, second right, no chance. So if I put N here, N first right, second right, you can put N here. Okay, so by using that point we can remove B and N. So put N here and put B here. So N first right, second right. Who is present? M. And we know the age of M is 22 years. We know the age of B is 24 years. And we know the age of N is 23 years. So one person is missing. So who is that person? O. So the age of O is 21 years. So this is the final answer, which is according to the data that we have got in the corresponding arrangement. Right? Then let me take you to the next question. So next question we have brought from linear arrangement facing north. So a certain number of people, here specifically number is not mentioned, okay, are facing north. P sits third right of Q. So see, Q first right, second right, third right. Who is present? P. 4 persons between R and P, means towards left of P or to the right of P. So let's take one possibility. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you can put the person called R. So make sure that this is left and this is right. Then 4 persons between R and P. S sits to the second left of R. So R first left, second left. Here you can fill with the person called S. Right? Then let's go with respect to the next question. What does the next point say? 4 persons between R and E. So R 1, 2, 3, 4. E. You cannot place E here. Why? Because already P is filled. So we'll go to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you can fill with the person called E. So R 1, 2, 3, 4. E is present. E sits third from one of the ends. So at the right end there are many places. So that's why let's go towards the left end. So the place of E is third from one of the ends. Basically let's say left hand, first, second, third. Then B sits sixth right of D. Who is immediate neighbor of R? So who is immediate neighbor of R? D is immediate neighbor of R. Immediate neighbor means it can be left or right. So if I put D here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No chance. Why? Because sixth right. Sixth right of D should be B. So if not to the left of R, let's go to the right of R. So D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Who is present? B is present. So B sits sixth right of D. Who is neighbor of R? As many persons between E and D as between Q and L. Okay, in between E and D, see, E here, D here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people. In between E and D there are 5 people, implies in between Q and L also there should be 5 people, but we don't know to the left side or right side. Okay, let's see. L does not sit to the left of Q, means L will be seated to the right of Q. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you can fill with the person called L. Okay, K is fifth from one of the extreme end of the line and one person between L and K. So L one person K or L one person K. So in between L and K there should be one person, we don't know. Q does not sit to the left of T. Obviously this is towards right of T. Then already it is given K is not immediate neighbor of P. So L one person K, no chance. So why? Because K is not neighbor of P, so we'll go towards right side. So L one person, so here you can put K, and already it is given K is fifth from one of the extreme end of the line. So towards left hand no chance, so towards right hand we'll go 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. So K is sitting from fifth from one of the extreme end of the line. Okay, so in this manner we can do these kinds of questions. So just see how many persons we have got so far. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22. So in this row there are how many people, means we can say there are 22 people. Okay, so 22 places are there but 22 people are not there, remember that. Okay, then let's go for next question. So this question is based on series. Is it possible to make one meaningful English word with the first, 5th, 9th and 10th letters of the word sequential? In sequential, what is the first letter? S, and 5th 1 2 3 4 5 E, 9th 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 A, and 10th, so 10th letter is L. So is this possible to make meaningful English word with these letters in this particular word? So we have already got one word. What is that word? Seal. Not only seal, you can go with the other word sail also. Okay, so I'm getting two words. So if I look at the options, if no such word can be formed, give X as the answer, and if more than one such word is formed, give Y as the answer. So I have got two words, means my option is option number 5, Y. Okay, so in this manner we can do these kinds of questions easily as well as effectively, which are useful for our examinations. Okay, so thank you everyone. So keep watching our channel, keep subscribe to our channel, share to your friends maximum, such that they can get beneficial of these particular videos, and please do subscribe our channel such that it will be very beneficial for us. Okay, thank you everyone.